Hi there Jayco family, it's Blake from Jayco Caravanland here. Today I'm going to walk you through what makes the Jayco construction different and so superior. Starting at the bottom, and we'll work our way up. So underneath our caravans we have a hot dip galvanised chassis. So that's made with Australian BHP steel. So we hot dip and galvanise that chassis inside and out. So that hot dip galvanising stops you from getting rust, corrosion on your chassis. And the reason we hot dip galvanise it and not cold galvanise it like a lot of manufacturers out there is when you cold galvanise it, that will slowly chip away and then you'll get your rust. When you hot dip galvanise inside and out, that doesn't happen. Now just above our chassis we have our PET floor. So that flooring is made of actually recycled plastic and it's all one piece. Now we used to have multiple panels of ply for our flooring, but we moved to the one piece PET floor, removes the needs for those joints, remove the needs for ply. What PET also has is the same screw retention as ply as well, so we're not sacrificing on structural integrity or that grab of those screws. Our walls are a one-piece fiberglass, fully insulated, vacuum bonded wall. So what we call it is we call it our tough shell construction. So inside that wall, we have an aluminium frame. We then have a high density, fully insulated foam. That wall is sandwich panel, vacuum bonded, and that becomes hail and dent resistant. We also use the same material on our roof. So our roof actually begins about here, runs all the way up and over, right round to the back of the caravan. So that removes the need for that join in the front roll there. So having all that one piece roof. And that also has the aluminium framing throughout the roof too. What we do internally to our walls, which is slightly different and it's new for us, is we do an internal one piece fiberglass sheet on our walls and ceiling. So that removes the needs for any joins on the inside. It also removes the layer of ply we used to have on the inside. So we now have a timberless construction as well. So we've been using aluminium frames since the 80s. We've been using the tough shell construction since the 20s. We've now removed that internal ply in 2025. So a lot stronger, a lot easier to clean and reduces our chance of water leaks. So really important on that new construction. And then supporting this is an Outback model. So supporting this whole construction, we have our fully independent J-Tech suspension on here. Now that's available in our Outback products across the range. So that's going to give you a nice smooth ride and stop that construction from wobbling and shaking too much. And our furniture, everyone forgets about the furniture, but that is an integral part of the construction of a caravan. Now we use an aluminium framed furniture as well. So you're not going to fall through that furniture. It's not stapled and plied together. It's an aluminium frame furniture. So it's got that structural integrity, but the aluminium frame keeps that weight down for us as well. So that's a nice brief recap on the construction of our Jayco caravans. We'd love to show you through it all, pull the caravan apart, show you the bits you want to see. So please come on down to the dealership at 1528 Albany Highway and we'll take you through. Otherwise, drop your comments below.